Hello, Tab Nation. It's Tom here. Today we are doing a new language called Julia. I'm always doing auto hotkeys usually, but I do like to branch out so that you guys can branch out, see what the world has to offer, and that's what this video is. So we're going to be learning how to install this and just do a simple, basically, hello world as always. And if you guys want to see more on this language, definitely let me know by hitting that like button. I'll do maybe a few follow-up videos, getting a little bit more in depth, arrays, whatever. And so the thing that's beautiful about this language is it's basically got the speed of C or C++, but it keeps the simplicity of like Python, for example. It's very powerful in that sense, and I can really see this mostly being used in maybe like data science, but also in AI machine learning would be a big thing with this. So yeah, at the time of filming this video, the current stable release that we're looking at is version 1.9.2, released July 5th, 2023. Recording this video, that was about a week ago, so yeah, we got this right here, and so obviously it's still being worked on constantly. Another great thing is this is available on both Windows, Mac, and Linux. So you got lots of options there, so very diverse in that sense. Obviously, this will be in the description below to their downloads page, but we're going to go ahead, we're going to click Windows, we're going to get the installer here, and just choose which one works for you the best. It doesn't really matter. All right. There it goes. So yeah, there we go. Let's go ahead and launch that. We got an executable. We can go ahead and minimize this. So it's your pretty standard install. You know, we're going to pretty much keep it how it wants. Create a desktop shortcut. I don't really want to trade or start menu, so we're good there. And we're going to go ahead and click that. It's going to do its install. It was a very small file. I forget exactly how big it was. If it's going to tell me, it's already gone, but I think it was like 146 megabytes, but I could be totally wrong on that one. And hit that subscribe button because I'm throwing 1-2 videos out every single week, usually almost always doing automation, or at least something that can help you along your way in coding with automation. And that is about perfect timing because I'm done ranting on about that. Yep, there we go. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and push run because obviously we want it to run. And here we go. So very simple. Let's enlarge this just a bit. And so this is what we got. You know, it's going to sit there and say Julia in the top. We got a link here to our documentation. Type question mark for help. You know, all that kind of stuff. It's listing the version here, when it was released, along also with the main website. So super simple. All right, let's go ahead and do Hello World. All right. So we are going to simply type print, and in parentheses, with some commas in there, hello world, and close it out in the same way. So very simple. Something to point out here is in a lot of languages you might be used to, between the print and what you're going to be typing here, is putting a space. If you do that, it will throw a syntax error, so no spaces in there. Just simply put like that. We're going to go ahead and press enter, and there you go. Hello world. Now let's do a little bit more than just hello world. We're going to now try to assign a variable and do some basic simple math. So let me go ahead and just do a fresh copy of this so it's easy to see. All right, here we go. Resize that again. All right, so to assign a variable, it's very easy. We're just going to say a equals 10. We're going to press enter. There it is, confirming that there is a 10 now. Now let's do some basic math here. We're going to do a plus 5. Press enter, and the answer is indeed 15. All right, everybody, hope this was a really good intro. If there's, like I said, something you want to know specifically in this language, getting fancier, definitely let me know. I will probably do a slideshow video coming out soon that's more of like a kind of intro to this, on examples of what is the pros, the cons of this language, what is it used for, some history on, you know, who developed it, where it's going, and maybe some samples of some powerful programs that people have designed in there, kind of like a small showcase video. If that's something you want, hit the like button. Lets me know if I want to do more on this language or just one or two basic videos and move on to something new. And if there is something new, let me know what language you want to learn. All right, everybody. I hope you, yeah, enjoyed this video, and I will see you all on the next one. Bye.